good day to you. You're welcome to another edition of Insurance Talk Show. I am Bola Adegbaju. Today I have with me Mrs. Gbemi Omotola. You're welcome, madam.
Good afternoon.
Mrs. Gbemi Omotola is a stunt marketer with over 20 years experience in insurance industry. She is the executive director of Erawell Insurance Brokers Limited. Today we are going to be talking about a common class in insurance that we know, a lot of people know about it, motor insurance. That is what we are going to be discussing today, and she is well qualified to handle this topic. Madam Gbemi Omotola, you're welcome once again.
Thank you, ma.
I'm glad to have you here.
Pleasure is mine.
So, what is motor insurance? And okay, let me start with that. Just what is motor insurance?
All right, good afternoon, everyone. By layman understanding, motor insurance provides your vehicle or other motorists against liability that you may incur yourself. When you have motor insurance, you will not need to be fighting anybody on the road. When you are sure that, okay, I have this insurance, I have this policy, I can go to my broker or I can go to my insurance company and get my claim.
So it's something that protects you from your liability to a third party.
Yes.
It's not only a third party self, because we are talking of general motor insurance. It covers your own vehicle. It now depends on the type of cover you have that will determine what you are going to enjoy, which benefit you are going to enjoy. So why must a car owner get this type of insurance for his or a vehicle? Why?
Number one, it's compulsory to get motor insurance in Nigeria today. Because if you don't have it, all these law enforcement agents, they have rights to arrest you. Because why will you be moving on the road without insurance? And a lot of us, let me say, maybe we are unaware that we have a lot of benefits why we must have this motor insurance. We are talking about motor insurance. We are talking about top part is just 15,000 naira a year. Yes, and the comprehensive is 5%. And let's assume your car is 8 million and you do 5%. Let's assume there is a theft. Insurance company are going to give you the 8 million instead of you giving yourself stress, giving yourself headache, and thinking of how to do it or start fighting on the road because somebody backed your car. You will just look at the person and go that I have my insurance and my insurance will cover it. So I will advise everybody, and even not even advise, it is compulsory that we must have motor insurance
under law.
Under law, it is compulsory.
So I think everybody knows that every vehicle owner is aware that you must have motor insurance.
It's a must.
And what they just do is that they go for the third party, the minimum cover, because they call it police let me go. Just they don't know that they can enjoy some other things from it. They feel that it's just because the law says they should do it, then I should just do it. But I want to tell you out there that you can enjoy a lot of benefits from having motor insurance. Even on your third party, you can enjoy motor. You can enjoy a lot of benefits. So, what types of covers do we have?
In motor insurance, we have third party and we have comprehensive. Let me explain it. Third party, like I always tell my clients, if you do third party insurance, you are doing insurance for whatever anybody that you eat. You are not doing the insurance for yourself. But for comprehensive, it covers third party, it covers vandalization, it covers theft, it covers anything, fire, name it. And under it, accident, it covers. And under it, we have a lot of benefits doing motor insurance. Let me start with third party. In Nigeria, a lot of people don't know they have rights to claim on third party.
They don't know, yes.
You have your right
to
claim whenever there is a third party accident or third party claim. We call it third party claim in our own world, in insurance world. We call it third party claim. you have benefits. The only thing on third party is that you can't claim for yourself. But you that you batch somebody and you are now using your own money
to go and repair,
you are just short changing yourself. You can claim third party under your own vehicle when you hit somebody, not only even the car. If you hit building, you destroy somebody's property, you have rights to go and claim.
It may not only be vehicles.
No, it may not be only be vehicle. It can be anything. You have right to go to insurance company. The only thing that if you are sure that your third party is genuine, because we have a lot of people now that they do because the third party is cost now. Let me do something for you. In Nigeria now, there is nothing.
Is that one still possible now?
Like somebody is telling me that it's still possible. That the ones they have before, that some people are still using it. But I will advise you people, go and third party now is 15,000 naira anywhere in Nigeria, because now NICOM has stepped into the insurance.
That's for private vehicles.
Yes, for private, even for trailers, you do top, but for the price. No, the price varies.
Yes, you are going to tell us the
okay.
Premiums for all those ones.
The price varies. Whenever you know you have third party insurance, please, and there is a claim, please go to any insurance company, or if you have a broker, call your broker. There is a claim, I hit somebody, and we have settled a lot of third party claims.
But that does not mean you should be driving recklessly.
No,
because you have a third party insurance. You don't say
you can't be driving reckless, because if you drive recklessly in Nigeria, in Lagos today, you will pay for the price before insurance company will pay, because some people, they don't have patience. Those people are frustrated, they will slap you for driving recklessly. So we should know that those things are common, that even you yourself, you know you have third party and you'll be driving reckless, because you know that your car is not covered under the third party you do.
It doesn't.
So now, if you now said, okay, I have insurance, I have policy, and I'm driving reckless, at the end of the day, the third party damage may not be up to the damage on your own vehicle. And for comprehensive, though I do advise my clients to go for comprehensive, because of a lot of benefits. We have numerous benefits. Let me mention a few, like vandalization. Maybe you park your car somewhere and they vandalize it. You can claim it. And there's something we add to the policy, like this flood extension, this SRCC, fire and all that. Right, that's the So now, if you like people living in Lekki, there are places water.
Yes, they're exposed to so much flood.
That is it. So when there is flood, and there's a damage on your car, you can go and call. You can go and claim. When there is riots, civil unrest, and your car was damaged, you can go there to insurance company and claim. Those are the benefits under comprehensive, not third party. It does not cover under third party. So I would advise people to go. Well, third party is compulsory, is good, but I would advise you to go for comprehensive.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
There's other one. There's another type of cover that I am aware of. It's between third party and comprehensive. They call it third party fire and
yes, there's another one too.
Okay. So how do you do that? It's between third party.
One insurance company came to my office and was introducing a policy like fire, theft, and they even said that they call it some comprehensive, but the price is different.
It's a bit lower than comprehensive.
Yes, it's a little bit lower than comprehensive, but higher than third party. When there is fire, outbreak on your car, it covers.
So we have different packages.
Yes.
As in, depending on the insurance company.
Yes.
Yeah, they just have
different products on it.
A product that is in between third party and comprehensive.
Yes.
So if you don't have enough money for comprehensive,
you can go for that.
You can just say, okay, you want this middle one.
Yes.
The moment you talk to your insurance company, they will understand what you're trying to say.
They will.
And they will attend to you.
Yes.
So how much? The new premium rate, or the, let me say, premium flat premiums now, they are not, no rate is applied to these ones now. They are just flat premium and they are the same everywhere, and that is third party premiums. Can you just educate us more? The private vehicle, motorcycles, tricycles, buses, pickups, own goods, trucks, special types of vehicles. Oh yeah.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now, the flat rate on third party is 15,000 naira.
Private.
Before private, before it was 5,000. But because Nikon, they stepped in, like I said earlier. Even our comprehensive now that shoots up. Because before,
different
insurance companies have their own rates, yes. But now Nikon is the one giving us rates on motor, so you can't do lesser. So all insurance company in Nigeria now is flat rate. Third party on private car is 15,000. On buses is 20,000 naira. But for truck owners, those ones are different. We have a lot of benefits too. On that private car, the limit is 3 million naira. Before it was 1 million, but now it's 3 million. But for bike, that's Okada, that one is 1 million naira. So
and the Marwa?
The Marwa too is, I think the Marwa is 3 cycle is 2 million or so. Yes. The 3 cycle is 2 million.
2 million.
Yes, for the limit. But the premium
is 5K.
5,000.
Yes, for Marwa tricycle.
Is 5,000. Yes. But for bike is 3,000.
3,000. Yes.
It's 3,000. But we have for trucks. You can't before. Truck owner can pay 20,000, you get your third party done. But now you are paying 100,000.
100,000. That's almost the value of comprehensive.
It depends on the value of the truck. Like, let's assume the truck is 28 million or 30 million naira. The 5% of it that's 1.5. So truck owner may say, let me go for 100,000 naira for the third party. I still have benefits that I know the cover, I have the limit and all that. But all we need to do is let our insurance companies or our brokers, let them educate us. Because a lot of people will be saying, I've been doing it, there's no benefit. Let them, anywhere you want to do your third party, let them educate you of the benefits that you will get by doing the third party and by giving them the money. So because some people believe that it's free money. Third party is not free money. A lot of people are claiming, but we have a lot that are not aware.
We pay claims on third party,
yes.
So it's not free.
Even
money.
There was even when this thing was 5,000 naira, I still pay about 850 claim on third party.
Imagine.
Yes.
Imagine when somebody pays 5,000 and you're collecting 850,000.
Yes. So just be informed. All we need to do is we need to be informed. We need to ask right questions from our insurer or from our broker.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Then the comprehensive premium.
Yes, ma'am.
I know there's a flat rate now.
Yes, ma'am.
People outside there need to know, because there are some clients that will be asking you, this rate is too much now, let me go to another insurance company. Then we want them to know that any insurance company they go to is the same rate they are going to meet. Yes. What is the rate?
The rate is 5%.
5%.
Flat rate.
Anywhere
in Nigeria.
Anywhere you go to, any insurance company you go to,
any state,
for your comprehensive insurance, it is 5% of
yes.
the value.
5%.
5% of the value.
Yes.
Can you just explain to us why this change? Do you have an idea of why there was a change from all these different rates to the new one, 5%? That we are talking of?
To the best of my knowledge, I think it's Nikon doing.
Yes, our regulators.
Yes, our regulators is doing, and it is marvelous in their own sight. They understand,
and it's for our own good too.
It's for our own good.
It's for the good of the clients.
Anyway, it's for the good of the clients, for all of us to benefit. So they are the one that know, because what I felt was that, like me, I'm doing 2%. Madam Bola is doing 1.2 or 1%.
Somebody else is doing 3%.
So maybe Nikon now look at it that some people are getting business more than other. Because you cannot leave 1% and come to me 2%, or you will leave me to. So they now said, okay, let's be on a flat rate. So they stepped in into, even before it was like this, the rate was 5%. Before,
yes,
when we started insurance,
yes,
it was flat 5%.
But they were now giving discounts.
Yes.
And it will now come
but
to
later
1%, 2%.
Later, a lot of insurance companies started doing their own thing, and but now everybody is on the same.
And it's also, I think it is also to have a healthy insurance industry.
Yes.
Because the premium that most people were charging that time, it was not
very small.
Yes, when you compare it to the risk the company is bearing, it was just too ridiculous.
Imagine somebody paying 200,000 naira and claiming 50 million.
50 million, imagine.
Something.
So I think that is why we need to do that. So our people, our clients out there, just try and understand why all these things are happening. It's for your own good, it's for our own good. You know, it won't speak well when you have a claim and we are telling you stories. Do you understand? So we just have to do it in a way that you will benefit. We won't have to tell you stories when there is a claim. What are the requirements for taking motor insurance? Third party and comprehensive. What are the requirements? What do you ask for clients?
We ask for a vehicle license.
Okay, your vehicle license.
Yes, proof of ownership.
Proof of ownership.
Means of identification.
Means of identification for individuals.
Yes, for individuals, but for company.
Yes.
We will ask for a certificate of incorporation for us to know that you are then your proof of ownership and your vehicle license. So that one will know that you have registered this and it's not.
Don't you do inspection?
Yeah, we will do inspection before giving us.
Yes.
That is what we will ask for. But after giving us the business, we will go for inspection.
And some people find it difficult to accommodate insurance companies as in representatives of insurance companies, because of recent something happened. A client, there is an insurance company who wanted to do a survey for a client, and the insurance company's representative was embarrassed. You know, the man was just like, "You are disturbing me. What do you want in my house? This and that." You understand? So we try to talk to people that they should give that privilege to insurance representatives, insurance companies representatives, to do surveys, inspection, and whatever they want to do.
Were they informed that they are coming?
Yes, they were informed. They were
informed. They need to accommodate them and
they were
allow
informed.
them to do their job.
The representative had to leave that place, and maybe he now went again the second day. You understand? But it's not supposed to be so.
Yes.
It's for our own good. It's for the client's good.
Yes.
So, is there any day of grace when the policy expires?
No.
Your insurance policy has expired today. Do you have a grace, as in after 2 days?
No, ma.
After
no, you don't have.
But there used to be before.
No, you don't have, ma.
Okay, because if you are waiting for the day of grace,
even we will give you renewal notice. We will inform you.
Yes.
That your policy will fall due on the 14th of so months.
Yes. So
we are expected you to give us instruction to renew.
Yes.
So immediately you give us that instruction, we renew your policy for you. It's immediate effect.
And if you don't renew, there is
and you have claim.
No.
Not pay now.
No, I even want to tell them, if they are waiting for day of grace, we have vehicle inspection agents.
Them.
Before you know it, you will see message. You receive message. You have committed a traffic offense.
Yes, 20,000 naira.
20,000 fine. So don't wait for days of grace for you to renew your insurance. Thank you so much. Briefly highlight the requirements and documentations for a loss that might eventually lead to a claim. What are the requirements? Okay, let's say you have a claim. Yes. Motor claim, motor insurance claim.
Yes.
What are the requirements? The likely, because there might be some other ones that are not.
The likely one. Estimate of repair.
The most common one, yes. Estimate
that one is very important. Photograph of the damage on the car. That is complete. That is where you will tell us that the claim, though we are coming for inspection, but you must give us their police report.
Police report.
When third party is involved. It's compulsory. It's compulsory. Then you give us statements of claim.
Statements of claim.
For us to know how it happens, and there are some claims that does not need police reports if third party is not involved. But we will not know until you give us the statement of claim to know what really happened, and even with hit and run.
Because I wanted to ask that, what of hit and run?
Hit and run, no, the man didn't wait now. Yes. So you are the one claiming yourself.
Okay.
So it's compulsory you give us the estimate of repair, so we'll know the cost of the damage. Your statements, so that we will have a knowledge of what really happened.
That will be in the claim form. In most cases, we
will give you
separately.
Yes, at times we take it separately. Okay. Then we also give you a claim form. That one is compulsory. You fill it and you tell us everything that happens.
And sometimes you may need to collect the documents of the other third party involved.
Yes.
They maybe insurance documents, the particulars of the third party vehicle.
When it's third party.
What if there's a life that is involved, like maybe injury and
oh yes, that's third party. They will take care of it.
The injury.
Yes, for comprehensive. There is injury. You take them to the hospital. You can't wait for them. You also feel.
Now, that's medical bill.
Yes.
You have to add the medical bill
to your claim. Yes.
Okay. So, what is your advice to people outside there, vehicle owners? Because we see have vehicle owners who don't do insurance, who don't take up insurance policies. They are still managing. They'll say, especially comprehensive. They'll say, that thing is too much. It's too expensive. I don't have time for it. Let me just do third party. You buy a motor of 20 million naira and you find it difficult to do comprehensive insurance of 1,500,000. Do you understand? What advice do you have for them outside there?
My advice for you all is to do insurance. It's compulsory. Insurance is something that you will not value when you are buying it, and it is something that you will regret
when you don't buy
it. So I will advise every one of us to get it. It's compulsory. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, if you have inquiries, because we have been talking about you sending calls, sending WhatsApp messages or calling in to this program. But even after this program, if you have anything you want to say, you need assistance, you want to make inquiries, you can send email to victoriaadegbaju@gmail.com, victoriaadegbaju@gmail.com, or you send a WhatsApp message to 0916 106 1007, 0916 106 1007. Your messages will be attended to, your inquiries will be attended to. Once again, this is Insurance Talk Show. I am Bola Adegbaju, and I am so glad to have Madam Gbemi Omotola with me. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, ma'am.
Till this time next week, I look forward to you joining us. Bye.